The direct website link is in the description. So now we will scroll down, and if you can't understand you can see this video also, but my video is the best. If you see, then it will another pop-up pages will appear. You don't have to go there because they are fake pages. Just cross them. We have to stay in this page only. So there are below to start download the buttons. So if you have the uTorrent app, you can download from torrent. And now I will download free download. It's of 3.32 GB. So it will pop up like this. This is a virus. Don't do this. We go back to the page again. Click on download. So this is the correct website. So let us see file. Yeah, this is the same. See, one more pop-up appears. That is fake. Now we have to take mega up. This is also fake. So we take pixel drain. So pixel drain is working. Now we click on download, and your download has started. Here, see. Your download has been started. Now we have to wait for the file to download. It's of 3.3 GB. Now I have already downloaded, so I am not downloading it. So now your game is successfully downloaded. Now you have to just install the game. So here I have GTA Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. So now we have to extract here. So it will take some time to extract. Extract folder is making here. So wait till it extracts the file. Yes, ma'am. So it is taking some time. So let us wait. Fully extracted. Now we open the extracted file, and you will see some files like this. We have to choose the setup file. So we have to click on setup and click on open. So this is the we have to wait for some time. It's loading. So here you have to click on yes, and then a setup will open in the short. The setup has come like Mr. DJ Repacks. So here we are. Welcome to Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Setup Wizard. So from this we can install. Click on this install button, and now that it will install, click on I accept the agreement. Click on next, and we don't want this. Click on next, and it's installing components, so it's loading. So I click on next, and it will take some time to download. Estimated time remaining is 1 minute. We will wait for 1 minute. So now it's going to complete. So after the completion of this Microsoft DirectX, then we can start installing our game. Don't skip this part. This DirectX part is very important. So like that they told the time. Now it's 33 seconds remaining. So now I will show you after the DirectX is done. Installation is complete. Now click on finish, and now the installation of the game will start. So here the progress is showing installing DirectX, extracting feed. So now it started happening. It's been some 1% completed. So like this, we have to complete the installation till it is 100.00% complete. So now we will station process. So see finish. The setup has been finished. Now click on finish. Game is installed. All the files are there. Right. File location. The files of I think I'll just fine on the computer. So let us open the game from here. Click on open. think it might be you will be able to see in a mini player because I am running a screen recorder. That's why. So it's loading. So the game has came. Now click on start game, new game, and it's loading. And like this, you see your game has successfully started. Now you can play the game. See, it's moving back. So like this, you can enjoy the game. So bye everyone. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe my channel.